If you're a DIY lover, then you need these cucumber beauty secrets in your life. Let's get glowing. First up, cucumber eye pads. Say goodbye to puffy eyes and dark circles. Just slice up a cucumber, chill the slices, and place them on your eyes for 10 minutes. Boom! Instant refreshment. Next, let's talk about glowing skin. Blend half a cucumber with a tablespoon of honey. Apply this mask to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse off, and hello, radiant skin. And who doesn't want luscious hair? For a simple hair mask, blend cucumber with an egg and a teaspoon of olive oil. Massage into your scalp and hair, leave it for 20 minutes, then wash it out. Your hair will thank you. Quick tip: struggling with sunburn? Blend a cucumber and mix it with aloe vera gel. Apply to the burn, feel the relief, and take a chill pill. Finally, for a refreshing toner, blend a cucumber and strain the juice. Mix it with an equal amount of rose water. Store it in a spray bottle and spritz away for a fresh feeling all day. There you have it. 5 cucumber hacks for glowing skin and healthy hair. Try them out and let us know your favorite in the comments below. Stay cool, DIY lovers.